Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a party that is private or invite only on your Xbox Series X. So random people can't join your party, only people that you invite. So press the Xbox button, then tab over using R1 to Parties and Chats, then create a party right here in the upper left. So I already have a party created. I'm going to select my party now. And once you make a new party, you can see in the upper left if it's invite only or private or anything else. Mine is set to invite only. To make this invite only, we want to go on down to options. Select that. Then here's the option for invite only. So if I turn this off, you'll see it's joinable on the top. If I turn this on, this will be invite only. So for people to join now, we have to go to invite more. And then we have to send them a request to join. And then send the invite by pressing the button with the 3 lines on it. And then they can join your party. So that is how you can make a party that is private on your Xbox Series X. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.